Over 11 years ago, I lost $150,000 in the first year of trading. Had I known this one key thing, it would have saved me hundreds of thousands of dollars. And in this video, I'm going to show you what that one thing is that allowed me to make $3,000 in under 30 minutes last week, so you guys can replicate the exact same thing and do it for yourself. Now, before I dive in, you guys got my last video to 100 likes. Thank you. But I want you to get this video to 200 likes so I can do a draw and choose one of you guys to do a one-on-one mentorship and record the entire process for YouTube. Now, without further ado, let's dive in and show you exactly how I took this trade with the mentorship students, gave you the game plan before the market opened, and executed on it all within 30 minutes to make over $3,000. Next is ZIM, ZIM. Getting above this daily resistance in a pocket with them towards 2360, looking for upside here over 2208 to 2209. Okay. Might not seem like a big move from 2210 to 2240, but it's a 1.5% move. So that should be enough to get us going here. ZIM. I like the ZIM 22 calls here. Let's see if we can get up here. All right, gonna try the ZIM. Nice move off the lows. Needs the candle to close above here. I jumped to the bid on these ZIMs. Decent move so far. Not. All right, I'm gonna take Roku off. It went totally the other way. Put Tesla up here and see how Tesla is gonna react to VWAP. If ZIM can close above 2210, we should move to 2240. I mean, this is going to be a nice move. It's about a 1.3% here on ZIM. Tesla is just kind of, is very volatile, Tesla. Nice move on ZIM. My goodness, finally. All right, got filled on the ZIM. Now, you guys just saw exactly the game plan I had before the market opened that I shared with the mentorship students, how we executed on that game plan, and how I exited the trade all within 30 minutes to make $2,800. And if you guys want to work with me one-on-one so I can show you how you can replicate this process, trade only 1 hour a day, and see anywhere from 10 to 20,000 per month, simply click the link down below, see if you qualify to work with me one-on-one, and if you do, great, I'll call you and we'll get this thing going. And if you don't want to and you're not ready and you're just looking for free resources, no problem. Watch this video right here that I break down exactly how I trade so you guys can learn something from it and become a better trader.